if you're doing anything with alarms, you probably want the alarm notification module. Without the alarm notification, you could do alarms that show up on a operator panel or an HMI on the floor, or if somebody's watching at their desk. Alarm notification allows you to send out email alerts on alarm conditions.
Yeah.
And then the other modules beyond that allow you to do SMS, so text messages.
Yep.
Integrate with Twilio for phone calls or SMS.
Yes.
Or do the voice notification module for voice, which is text-to-speech notifications that will basically call you and read you with a computerized voice what the alarm was.
And then you can respond to those.
Yes, you can acknowledge the alarms via the phone, via email, via SMS. Or they also allow you to set up alarm rosters and notification pipelines. So what the roster is you can specify, like for Corso Care, we have a Corso admin group. You can set up different schedules for rosters and different groups, like a line 1 production roster, then they get line 1 alarms. You could have a line 2 production roster, then you could have like lines 1 and 2 maintenance rosters, and you kind of get granular with that. And then in your pipeline, you define, how long does it need to be active before I send an alert? Is it when it's acknowledged, when it's cleared, when it happens? Then you can do escalations. So, we wait 30 seconds before it's acknowledged, then we alert the operator.
Yes.
Then we wait 5 minutes, then we alert the supervisor.
Yes.
Then we wait an hour, and then we alert the plant manager. Yes. And if at any point the alarm gets acknowledged, we can drop out of that pipeline. Through the basic alarm notification module, that comes with email alerts. You can send out emails through the alarm notification pipeline. And the pipeline will stay the same. You'll just change a couple configuration settings. If you're using the Twilio module, the voice notification module, or the SMS module. The SMS module, personally, unless you already have an SMS modem in your plant that you're using for something else and you're migrating to this, I would just go with the Twilio module.
That's what we have.
Yeah.
And that's what we integrate for most of our customers.
Yeah. For Corso Care, we're using the Twilio module. The benefit to me for the Twilio module is it gives you phone capability and SMS capability through Twilio. It does give you a second system you need to worry about, but you don't really need to know much beyond setting up an account. And if you had an SMS modem, you would still, depending on your plan, pay for texts or whatever. So Twilio will give you that capability, or the voice notification will send you a phone call through the text-to-speech engine in Ignition, and you can pick different voices.
In different languages.
Yep. Theoretically, I've never tried it myself. Create your own custom voice modules. There is a way to do that. And you can also integrate different notification modules together, so you can have the voice notification and the Twilio and SMS and alarm emails all at the same time for the same alarm. Like for Corso Care, we have alarms get sent out to Slack, to Twilio, and email.
Yes.
Slack is not a module. That's something that we integrated with Slack and their API. There's also somebody else at one point recently asked for WhatsApp and WeChat. The other thing you get with the alarm notifications is alarm consolidation. So if you get like 25 alarms, you can set it up to consolidate those into one phone call based on like a frequency or a time duration, rather than getting 25 phone calls.
How many people do you think got 25 phone calls until that part got
added?
A lot, yeah.
I've definitely done that, like when testing Slack. Didn't check that box and sent out a few hundred alarms like right away, but live and learn.
If you want alarms outside of like an HMI screen, you're going to want the alarm notification module. And then most people, in addition to that, are going to pick Twilio or SMS and voice notifications to send out their text messages and voice notifications beyond the emails. So you've got your vision, you probably have your SQL bridge, you probably have your tag historian, and now you probably have your alarm notification.
And this is way easier to set up than any other solutions out, because there is software packages just for alarm notifications. But this is easier, and it's way easier than dealing with turret phones and the older style of things.
Thanks everyone for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for the next Ignition Explained.